My business and my passion since 1985 as a young chef when I came back from Europe, learning a lot of my craft. Then I discovered that Australia does not have a true cuisine. You have the opportunity here in Niue, of course, with your marvellous foods, to develop a true cuisine and promote this more. And I think there's amazing opportunities. So what we try to create today with a new spice, the rock spice, is something from Australia with the old man saltbush and something from Toeono-Niue, which was the moringa, yeah? And so I hope you enjoy this little flavour. It's just a first little trial, but there's some very clever people here that we're cooking today, and one day some of them may follow a culinary path and travel the world as a chef, and then come back to bring these new skills back home, and to truly promote your own cuisine, because this is what's been missing in Australia since the white man was there 250 years. We haven't really promoted a true Australian cuisine until very recently. But now we understand that culture, respect for food and culture is the way forward.